Hello viewer, it's an aeroplane here. We will change the pattern for that aeroplane. I will create some different features, make the changes there. Also create a new design, add a paint around it. So here is a layer style we have put over it. Now we can write anything, create any design here, make the changes. We are going to use the designs here, add a paint. Thank you for watching.